Hey, how's it going? Charles here from All Coast Lawn. Today I want to make a video out here while we just got rained on in North Carolina. The question I always have is, I used to ask, can lawnmowers get wet in the rain? Can they get rained on? And answer I always got was yes, they could. Don't worry about it. They could get rained on. They're not going to get messed up. I'm like, all right, cool, but I'd rather cover my lawnmowers. I don't know about you, but I'd rather them not get wet in the rain. I mean, you paid for this equipment, you know, like $2,000, you know, for a good riding mower, $6,000 for a zero turn, and so you want to protect your investment. You know what you paid for. You know, it came out of your bank account. You know, you're using this money to take care of your lawn, to go out there on a side hustle, you know, for a small business. So take care of your equipment. All right. Yeah, they could get rained on, but yeah. So after it rains, I mean, you do still need to like start your engine and like make sure like the engine inside is getting heated up, like it's drying off like all the inside components of the engine. You know, so you do have to do that. All right. Also, you probably want to dry off your mower after it rains because it could rust. It could rust. All right. So that's why I cover up my lawnmowers. All right. Other than that, I bought this one right here. So I got this from Amazon. It's called Himmel, however you pronounce that. I don't care what the name is. All I know is that when I bought it, it said protects from water. So that's why I bought it. All right. It's an old lawnmower. It's like more than a decade old. I bought it used from somebody. It helped me start out my side hustle when I started mowing grass. You know, but as you can see, all these leaves around here, you know, like there's no leaves on the mower. You know what I mean? Because the leaves, they just slid off the tarp, the cover. All right, so let's take a look underneath to see how it did from the rain. So it's elastic at the bottom, like it covers it real good. So the engine's dry. The key ignition's dry. And the battery's dry. That is my concern right there, y'all. The battery, the key ignition, and the engine. And also, this didn't get totally rained on. It's not fully wet. I don't know what built up that water underneath. To me, the cover did its job. I'm not worried about the bagger. All right, that could get wet. So to me, the cover did its job. The engine didn't get wet, the key ignition didn't get wet, and the battery didn't get wet. That was my concern right there. All right, let's go check out the zero turn. All right, so for zero turn, how I always cover my the zero turn is just with the tarp. That's it. All right, I got these bungee cords right here on each corner. Just wrap it around. I wrap the corners around the gate or the ramp. I got this side covered. All right, let's see how it did. All right, see, it looks dry to me. I ain't gonna go all the way in there. The key ignition, that's dry, and that's my main concern. All right. Looks real good. Let's check out the battery. Go ahead and just record that part right there. there's the battery right there. Battery's dry. Alright, and put the bungee cord back on this thing, on this tarp. So there you go, just an easy tarp over it. The bottom's getting wet right there, but you can always just do this. Bring this more over here, strap it down like right there. Our bungee cords. You could never have enough bungee cords or cargo straps, I'll tell you that. Alright, so to me, the reason why I cover my mowers is so they won't get wet, prevents rust. I mean, no matter what, I mean, rust is gonna happen no matter what, alright? Rust is gonna find its way. Rust is always gonna win. It's gonna find its way on your equipment. But at least this will help from preventing it getting rust, rust faster. That's why I cover my mower, my riding mower and my zero turn, to prevent water from getting contact on it, to prevent rust, to prevent dust, to prevent what do you call it, moisture, moisture buildup, to protect the battery, to protect the engine. Yes, the engine could get wet though, but that's just me, it gives me the warm and fuzzy. And also for the key ignition, to keep that dry. If water gets in there, it could damage some electrical components with the key ignition. Alright. Other than that, if you like this video, I hope you found it informative. You may disagree with me with some parts, but I'm sure you agree with me with some of the information I gave you. No matter what, just take care of your equipment. If you don't cover it, make sure you dry it off after the rain. Make sure the battery's good. If you're gonna leave no tarp on there, at least keep the key inside the key ignition. That could prevent it from getting wet. All right, so if my camera's fogging up, it's because it's still kind of sprinkling out here. So hey, God bless. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new to this YouTube, and I like doing it because I like helping people out. People help me out. Like when I started my little lawn care hustle, and so I just want to give back. Just give back to the YouTube channel. So yeah, if you like it, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless. Bye.